Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. How to monetize a blog is a million-dollar question. This topic has been discussed 1,000 times. Rest assured you'll find at least one source of monetization which is new for you and your blog. Start blogging as a passion. It's a great source of making new friends and dive into a stream of like-minded buddies. Go out for a hangout with your new friends. If you're a movie freak, run a movie review website so that you have an additional reason to watch a movie. At least you can tell your mom, watching movie earns you $1. Yes, to monetizing your blog beyond AdSense is what I would consider the theme of this article. Traffic equals money, thus your first priority needs to be traffic. This is where we often go wrong. We focus on the revenue portion instead of developing a solid traffic base without realizing traffic equals money and not the vice versa. Both quality and quantity of traffic accounts for the success of any blog. Depending on the niche you've chosen for your blog, a mix of returning traffic, regular readers and savvy people, and amateur traffic, one-time direct search traffic is crucial for maximization the revenue. Think of monetizing your web property after you reach 500 views a day. Never put irrelevant ads or entertain ad blindness. Only work with premium ad networks. Your first motto needs to generate 100,000 page views every month, followed by developing an email list. Revenue comes free with traffic. It's traffic, and it's only traffic. PPC networks that don't suck. Don't waste your time testing these ad networks if you truly wish to monetize your blog. Chitika, Bidvertiser, Clixer, AdSense, Obias, Smotion. They have been very successful in generating peanuts for publishers. I haven't tried Chitika for long, so I can't guess how they are doing now. AdSense pays 3 cents to 12 cents per click and it revolves on those scam-like make money ads. Try Affinity. Affinity provides contextual display ads for publishers who seek to monetize their web property. Payouts is not great, but certainly much more than other CPC networks. Since they manually approve each blog, they have quality advertisers and it's fun to be a part. Advertise.com. The list of CPM networks is endless. There are some top-tier CPM networks which are worth trying. You need to have a minimum of 50,000 page views to get approved. Listed below are some of the widely popular CPM networks: Tribal Fusion, Casale Media, CPX Interactive, Burst Media. If you're concerned to monetize your South Asian traffic, try Camilla and Tyru. Best affiliate networks to take a look. I'd suggest you to work with 5 to 10 affiliate ads initially. It is not much pain to get an approval from an affiliate network, and it really can provide a stream of extra income. In fact, niche blogs make money from affiliate sales and AdSense remain as a backup. It will be sufficient to join the following affiliate networks: Commission Junction, ShareSale, Google Affiliate Network, Linkshare. ShareSale and Linkshare pays $1 and $1.5 for every publisher you refer. Amazon is phenomenal. The only thing you need to do is drive traffic to Amazon and let Amazon take care of the rest. Both Amazon and your visitor is smart enough to decide what to buy. You just need to pass your affiliated get, generate to sell, and that's easy. eBay is good. They pay per click even if you don't sell. So, if you're new to affiliate marketing, I suggest you start with eBay. You can also try Cafe Press, Zazzle and similar networks if you've a lifestyle craft blog. Auto Affiliate Marketing, a third-party network which converts your outgoing links into affiliate links and also incorporate affiliate links to relevant keywords. The entire process is automated and you just need to sign up with the third-party network, which in turn has signed up with thousands to merchants and affiliate networks. Post sign up, you have to insert the JavaScript ad code and select the optimization standards to increase your earnings. The most popular networks are: if you've majority of Indian traffic, I suggest you try Q-Links as an alternative option since the above two can really make use of Indian traffic. Ecommerce: if you've something to sell, go ahead with it. You may develop software or have a local store. You can also tie up with some stores across your city and a courier service. If you're someone who is just starting with e-commerce, I'd suggest to have a subdomain on your blog itself. A beta testing can save a lot of your investment, since there won't be much investment of site development thanks to PrestaShop. PrestaShop is the next generation e-commerce platform. It is already listed in this simple script list of e-commerce modules, and you can download it from there. You'll have complete control over every little attributes and can also buy add-on features whenever necessary. Sponsored reviews. Both new and authority blogs can make money from sponsored reviews. However, the only criteria is to have a page rank of 2+ for new blogs. It is difficult to attract advertisers who are willing to pay for their product reviews. Here, you can find a complete list of 21 genuine get-paid-to-review networks. Blogs with substantial authority needs to focus on its content and social media traffic. Advertisers directly approach the webmaster for their products to get reviewed. A single sponsored review can earn anywhere between $200 to $1,000 if you've a solid niche website on topics related to technology. You're experimenting. The more you experiment, the more experienced you're, and it adds to your profile, reputation, and everything you're associated with. It opens myriad opportunities. You're winning. Due to the unpredictable nature of search engines, some of your blogs gain more search preference, and this seems to do the trick in niche blogging. This is actually the intermediate result of the experimentation phase. Since most bloggers prefer starting a blog on evolving technologies, thoughts, ideas, a proper market blueprint lacks. If one or two blog gets the love of Google, then the next profitable blog is in share. Now don't consider such a blog will be sold for money. Your reader base increases. This is another definite reward that complements your effort. The more reader you've, the more successful you're. Increasing web property. One fine morning you won't really see the end of blogging. Online advertising is still in the evolving phase. AdWords and other advertising networks are still to target local business and many enterprises in developing nations. So, you can keep on increasing your web property against a constant source of revenue. Many people may feel that running 10 to 15 blogs require much effort and time. Well, this is certainly true, but those people who are already doing this says it's fine. I've enough spare time to watch a movie with my family or play tennis. WP Manage allows one to manage multiple blogs at a time from the same dashboard. They have a 1-month free trial followed by a monthly subscription charge to make your life easier if you run multiple blogs. Selling your service. Above all, you can create a banner to sell your own service. This is the most profitable stream of making money. People need advice and they love to pay for it. They will be more excited if you're the one to advise them. To wrap up, many people think of the outcome if their AdSense account gets blocked. They fear, and this has contained them from blogging. However, the real fact is, all successful bloggers consider AdSense as a backup for their money-making inventory, as it accounts for less than 10% of the revenue source. AdSense is great for article directories, forums, blogs specific to education, jobs, automobiles, healthcare, and more. But, in some cases, they are miserable. The reason I haven't included AdSense is to let us all believe that there is life beyond AdSense, and we must see it to really live a larger than AdSense life at some point of time. Don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.